Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about map operation of Java Stream. Okay, the map operation in Java Stream API is used to transform an element of a stream into another element by applying a function to each element of the stream. The transformed elements are then collected into a new stream. Okay, let me give an example. Okay, basically I'm going to show demonstrate three examples. Okay, let me explain those. Say that you have a list 1 2 3 4 5. The problem is squares each element from the below list and generate a new list. Okay, I need to create a new list squaring each element, then generate that list. Okay, for example, in the new list it should be 1 4 because if we square 2 then it would be 4. Similarly, it would be 9 and it would be how much, 16 and 25. Yep. So that is the first example. We'll convert a list to another list. In that case, the conversion, I mean, we map from one stream to another. Okay, in that case we use map function of a stream. The map, basically what it does, takes element from each element from the list and then map based on some function. It maps to something else. Okay, in our case we'll get first element 1, then we'll square it and we'll get 1. Similarly, we'll get second element 2, then we'll square it will get 4. So in that way that will generate the new list. Okay, the second one is transform a list of strings to uppercase. Okay, here also an example of transformation of each element, so we should use the map operation of string. So the expected output would be the new list that contain all these elements, but it would be in uppercase. Okay, this is the second example. And the third one is, say that we have a custom object. Okay, custom class person. In person we have two fields, name and age, and after that we have created a list. Says you can see that in the list we have 3 objects. Now from this list we need to create a list which will contain only one property, say the name. So in the new list we should get only John, then this one and this one. Okay, so let us get into the Eclipse. I'm checking this one. Okay, so what we have, first one is list, I mean of integers. Control Shift O to import necessary packages. So we have the numbers. Okay, now what we will do, we need to get the stream from this numbers. Okay, so numbers stream. All right, then map in. So again, map is a kind of operation. In each operation, then each iteration, that will get the element from these numbers. Say that that element is nothing but x. You can give any name, okay? Then x into x, because I need to square it, right? So in first iteration we'll get 1, so 1 into 1, it would be 1. In the second iteration we'll get 2, so 2 into 2, so basically we are squaring the integers, okay? Now, so if we use the semicolon here, so what will happen here? See this. So this is a stream of integers. Now we need to convert it to list, okay? So to convert it, what we need to do, collect collectors to list. So we'll get a list. Say this type list of. Now if we print this one, okay, let me print different way. Now let me run this. 1 4 9 16 25. So we have converted a list to another list using a function. That function is nothing but this one, and in this function we have instructed to the map operation. Then we take each element from the list. That list is nothing but numbers, and then square it, and at last after this operation we got stream. Then that stream has to be converted to a list. So this is what what it is doing. Collect means from the stream collect element and convert it to a list, okay? Now second examples. So we have a list, this one. Now again we need to get a stream. Then what we need to do, map. So we'll get name. Again, this can be any variable, it can be anything, okay? Now so in each iteration we'll get each element one by one. John, and then second one, then the third one, okay? So it should be name to uppercase, okay? Now again collect to list. All right, what it should give, say list of a string, okay? And uppercase names. So if I want to print, then so let me run. What is that? Do you see anywhere any problem? Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a blunder me. Okay, it should be here. Can you see that our elements got converted to the uppercase. Okay, so whenever you need to transform elements from collection, then use the map operation of stream. Okay, that is the bullet point. When you need to convert or transform existing collection elements to something else, then we should use the map operation. Okay, the last one, we have a person. Person is again custom class. Let me create that. Okay, so to make it a little bit faster, I'll just copy paste. Okay, so we got the person class. Now what do we need to do? We need to create an object of this person. Okay, how to create the object? So we'll go to the map demo. Okay, so we created a list, and in that list, in people is the list, in this people will have 3 person object. Okay, the first person, you can see the name, the second one. So what I'll do, using the map operation, I'll collect the name from here and create a new list. Okay, so we have a people, then stream, then map. This time what we'll get in this, because we are iterating people list, because in that list what it contains, person. So say that it is p dot get name, then collect, because we are going to convert from this list to only the names. Okay, so we'll create a list where each element will be the name of the person. We are not going to add this part. What is that part? Is. Okay, so now collect. Okay, now let me print this. Okay, so let me modify the list. Let me create something else, because this list and this list are the same. Okay, okay, so we have a different list. So if I run this code, so can you see that although that we have list of person, we extracted only the name from the elements of the list. Okay, so I have demonstrated 3 examples. The first one, it convert existing list into squares. I mean, each element is mapped to the square. The second one, it convert each element to the uppercase. And the third one, it it iterate over the list, existing list, then get the custom object and then extract only the name and clear the list. Okay, so that's it. Again, the bullet point is that whenever you need to convert or transform something from a collection, then we should use the map operation of stream. That's it for today's video.